Hi, my name is Debra R. Richardson of Debra R. Richardson LLC, and I work with you to help you clean up your vendor data, clean up your vendor processes so that you pay the right vendor. Now, this week's Vendor Master File tip of the week is training that the IRS won't allow for fraud prevention. So I had no idea about this, but it is phishing exercises. Now you may go, yay, but maybe your IT team or InfoSec security team is not aware of that. So the answer, and this actually came from the report phishing site or page from the IRS, and I have the link there, but I'm also going to put it in the description. But the frequently asked question is what if I want to train my employees on IRS or tax-related phishing emails by conducting a tax-related phishing exercise? And the IRS responds saying they are prohibited from using the IRS or any colorable imitation thereof, and they do not grant permission to use IRS or its logo in phishing exercises, whether organizations use a vendor platform or conduct their own phishing exercise. Tax-related exercises should not be conducted during tax season, and tax-related exercises should include a post notification that the recipient's taxes have not been affected. So I'm not quite sure what those tax related exercises are. Maybe you have some non-phishing related tax related exercises. Just keep in mind that phishing exercises are prohibited by the IRS. Now, if you want to learn about three tax scams that the IRS gave some tips on how to avoid them this tax season, make sure you check out episode 261. It's the podcast. It's on YouTube. I'm actually going to have it come up right after this video. So you can click on it if you want to listen to it now. Now, if you want to listen to it wherever you listen to podcasts, it is there. But you can, again, listen to it on YouTube and it is going to come up after this video. Now, if you would like more information on how to improve your vendor process, you can go to my site at debrarrichardson.com, where you'll find lots of free tools and resources to avoid fraud, regulatory fines, and just overall bad vendor data. Now, if you would like over 149 annual hours of nothing but vendor process training, then head over to the Vendor Process Training Center at training.debrarrichardson.com. So good luck, and be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified next Tuesday for the next Vendor Master File tip of the week.